Prashant Kishore is all set to launch his political party. His party will be called Jan Suraj Party. The launch date of the party has been decided. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. Political strategist Prashant Kishore will launch his party on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti this year. Let me brief you on Jan Suraj Party. Till now, only the launch date has been announced. Going forward, a series of meetings have been scheduled for this. The agenda of these meetings would be to finalize the process of forming the party. This would include organizing the party's leadership structure and drafting its constitution. Jan Suraj would reportedly begin with over 1 lakh people as its office bearer. Prashant Kishore says that he would not lead the party. The leaders would be chosen from among the party members. About the leadership decision, Prashant Kishore said that a 7-member committee would hold elections for the top 25 party posts. This election will be held from August 15 to August 20th. Prashant Kishore has also asked his party functionaries to work to ensure that the next generation of Bihar doesn't have to venture outside the state in search of education, jobs, or healthcare facilities. He told the party functionaries to struggle now so that Bihar's future generation gets a better tomorrow. The target of his party is to contest in the upcoming assembly elections of Bihar. Bihar goes for assembly polls next year. Prashant Kishore has claimed that his party Jan Suraj would win the upcoming Bihar elections. This formation of Jan Suraj Party comes at the time when CM Nitish Kumar is facing anti-incumbency and RJD's Tejasvi Yadav has failed to go beyond Muslim Yadav vote bank. Talking about RJD, it had earlier issued a circular to its party members and workers against associating with Prashant Kishore's Jan Suraj campaign. After this, Jan Suraj had slammed RJD by saying that RJD has grown jittery over mere announcement that Jan Suraj is turning into a political party. Prashant Kishore is also behind the Jan Suraj campaign in Bihar. He had launched this campaign in 2022 with the vision of bringing about transformative change in Bihar. Prashant Kishore, through this campaign, had engaged with the public at the grassroots level on key issues of Bihar like education, employment, and healthcare. And now he's coming up with a party. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.